Introduction to the project. Hanna Pietras Architects has unveiled a stunning new project that seamlessly blends historical charm with contemporary design. The renowned architecture studio has transformed a 90 square meters flat in a historic tenement building in Łódź, Poland, into a masterpiece that highlights the aesthetic harmony between past and present. Łódź tenements are renowned for their rich architectural history, reflecting the city's dynamic growth during the 19th and early 20th centuries. These buildings, with their ornate facades, grand staircases, and spacious interiors, are a testament to Łódź's former status as a major industrial hub in Poland. Renovating these structures to serve as modern living spaces preserves their historical character while integrating contemporary amenities, making tenement living a dream for many. Architects Hanna Pietras and Joanna Porodowska faced a significant challenge in redesigning the flat, which was initially in poor condition, featuring small, cramped rooms with high ceilings. Instead of opting for a complete overhaul, the architects decided to retain the unique authenticity of the space. They aimed to preserve its historical essence while introducing a bright, modern aesthetic. The design team successfully restored original elements such as woodwork, parquet floors, and stucco. Close collaboration with conservation experts and skilled craftsmen allowed them to determine and revive the original color of the monumental double-sided tall doors. This approach ensured that the flat retained its historical authenticity while embracing a contemporary design. A distinctive feature of the project is the introduction of shades of blue throughout the interior. This color choice adds a sense of freshness and lightness, highlighting the architectural qualities of the space. Blue, reminiscent of the sky and sea, brings a calming and relaxing atmosphere, creating an ideal environment for modern living. According to Hanna Pietras, combining blue with period details such as ornate ceilings, wooden floors, and stylish doors creates a unique ambience that bridges the past and present. Originally, the flat's entrance led directly into the kitchen, a layout that was not very practical. The architects addressed this by creating a small hallway separated from the kitchen, retaining the original creamy white kitchen tiles and adding a wardrobe. A long corridor now connects the hallway to the rest of the flat, with the toilet, laundry, and bathroom situated along it. The corridor leads to an amphitheater-like arrangement of the living room and bedroom. The design focuses on avoiding clutter, with every element chosen to ensure a bright, light, and elegant space. The project showcases a meticulous balance between old and new. For instance, the kitchen features dark veneer and the original tiles with a blue motif, complementing the restored woodwork. Pietras emphasized their commitment to intertwining historical and modern elements, guided by a principle of blending old and new with a blue thread. The interior design of the Blue Flat by Hanna Pietras and Hanna Pietras exemplifies the successful integration of historical charm and modern functionality. Every detail, from the preserved woodwork to the carefully selected colors, contributes to a space that honors its historical roots while offering contemporary living conveniences. This project stands as a testament to the architectural vision and expertise of Hanna Pietras Architects, showcasing their ability to create harmonious and aesthetically pleasing interiors that resonate with both history and modernity.